What's going on, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? These guys are playing this game. I don't know what it's called. I literally just turned off the camera from my first video, and now I'm starting my second one. It seems so funny to do that. Oh no, copyright music, copyright music. Hopefully if I talk loud enough throughout this, then it won't come out on the video screen. Oh, look at these people doing their wedding photos, or I don't know, probably baby photos. It looks like they got wedding stuff on. Oh, it's weird. Maybe she's just wearing white. The sun is setting. We're doing it big, folks. See, now technically, you're getting two beaches on this stream because we are now exiting Indian Rocks and we're entering Bel Air Shores, which is the really ritzy area. Well, nice houses. So look at these people. They are doing it big, getting the photos. I love it. Smile. Cheese. Cheese, everybody. See, Bel Air Shores. I'm not lying. If there's one thing you could say, Jacob's not a liar. He is in Bel Air Shores. That is a beautiful scene right there. Good job, folks. See, the house is getting a little bit nicer. It is sweet out here, I'll tell you what. Now it's really clearing out. This is awesome. See, there's no really public parking in Bel Air Shores, as far as I know, which means that there's gonna be far less people. What a beauty. I think my gimbal is tilted a little bit. Huh. Let me see that again. Maybe. Huh. I don't know what to do about that. Oh, actually I do. I can't do it while I'm shooting the video. Alright, from the magic of editing, everybody, I will be right back. Alrighty. Looks a little bit better. Really, you know, you can't even notice till you look at the grid lines at the horizon. And I was like, that didn't make sense. Or else the horizon's tilted. I love those little birds. Small but mighty. They are my favorite. A lot of people like those big pelicans. Nope, I like those little guys. They're good. The pelicans are good too. Seagulls. Seagulls are like, you know, there's nothing special about a seagull. He's a dime a dozen. Oh, that's a duck. I wonder what he was doing out here. He must be looking for a lake. Yep, these are the nice boys. These are the nice boys. The nice homes. It kind of feels dumb, literally just walking straight. Like, this is the only thing I'm filming is just shooting straight. But then again, you know, it's like the beach only goes two directions. I wonder if I should turn around here. Can ride the bikes out here this time. Probably be tough midday when the sand is soft. Oof, 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 oof. This water ran up on me. Get out of my face, water. I don't need you in my life. Watch it, buddy. Oh yeah, we are getting close to sunset, everybody. This video, I find myself turning around a lot more. Wonder when I'll post these. I know that one of them I need to post tomorrow. If I keep up my routine. I meant to go last night, but I got a major headache, which has to do with, oh, look at those clouds coming up over there. That looks awesome. That was sweet. Almost looks like a mountain range, but it's just clouds. I'd say Wednesday of last week. Okay, so I'll just tell you the whole story. Get home from work. I go upstairs and doing my normal meditation routine, which is basically, well, in the past I don't do it anymore, but basically I just get in the shower or the bath and I just sit in there, and sometimes I'll turn the lights off and sometimes I don't, and I will basically just meditate for 15 or 20 minutes. And I'm just gonna post up right here. This looks like a nice spot to catch this sunset. So, okay, so I'm doing that and everything's going fine. And basically I stand up from laying down in the bath, and my head just goes so light, like it felt so weird. And I put my hands on the shower like glass to hold myself up, and the next thing I remember is I am sitting up against the wall where the water comes out, and my back busted the whole faucet coming out of the wall, which means I like knocked out cold. And I am just so thankful to God, literally to God, that I didn't, break my face open or cut myself on anything, or because passing out in the shower is really scary. I'll tell you that much. And the funny thing about passing out is when you wake up, it doesn't feel weird. Like you sit there and you go, I would almost guess like a minute, I was sitting against the faucet on the opposite side of the wall of the bath that I would normally sit on. And I'm just thinking, oh, this is normal. And then I realize, wait, this is not the right side of the bath to be sitting on. And then I realized, oh wait, you were standing up. And that's when I realized that I passed out. And it was really scary. So I went to the doctor and everything, and they couldn't find anything wrong with me. So I don't know what to think. I don't know what to do. So I suppose I'm not going to meditate in a hot bath anymore, although I really enjoyed that. But life goes on. Find different places to meditate or whatever. I got an EKG. Those things are freaky. They hook you up to the dang, it feels like you're a cyborg. I have a really low resting heart rate, 47 beats per minute. I thought, man, 47 beats per minute, jeez Louise. If I took my girlfriend's blood pressure medication, I'd almost die, I think. Flatline. That is a beautiful sunset. Look at that thing. But I'm just happy to be okay. I'm just, I was really scared for like a week or so before I got my test results back, thinking, oh no, everything's going too good. Something might, but nothing. I suppose it was just dehydration. That's what the doctor said. Look at that beauty, beauty, beauty. Oops. I'm gonna have to edit that out, folks. Oh, look at my feet. We're killing it. Green sandals. The phone just dropped. There we go. Just dig a little bit of sand out and then I'll sit flat. I was saying in the last, probably the last one, I don't know how I'm going to do all this. But yeah, Trixie and Katya, they are good. I just think they are so funny. I love them. But you know what I'm hip to the whole scene. And RuPaul Drag Race, that show bugs me. I don't really get that. It's all, you know what really frustrates me about RuPaul's Drag Race? Okay, so I watched one of the season finales, and I had no attachment to who wins or anything, but I sat there and I watched the thing and I said, well, this girl should clearly win. She is much better, but it's just whoever RuPaul picks. That sucks. That is so stupid. Like, it's just so anticlimactic. It's just like, oh, well, RuPaul thinks she should have won, so she won. It's like, man, that's all. But I can understand, RuPaul thinks she's the queen bee. And of course she is the queen bee. She goes back to the Pyramid Club and all that. But she's not the only one. There's Lady Bunny as well, who I think started the festival of, I think it's called like Drag Queens in the Park or something like that. That's probably not the name of it, but they did have a festival in the park in New York City, I think Central Park. And it was huge for their, what everyone thinks about them and everything. Yep, Trixie and Katya is good. A bunch of them I don't like though. Like, one I do like is Kimchi. Kimchi is funny, but there are so many that just, ugh. First of all, I don't like the ones that they don't even look like they're wearing makeup. It's like a Halloween costume. But that's not so bad. Something that really frustrates me about that show else though is why aren't girls allowed to compete as well? Like actual born females. Like, if it's an art, you know, why can't they compete? Look at that sunset. Ooh! Holy cow. That is a good one. I just love how the sun reflects off the sand. I'm gonna get that up close. Got sand on my butt. Oh yeah, beauty. This might be the thumbnail right here, folks. But I like RuPaul though. The more I, you know, I've seen AJ and the Queen. I've seen all of it. It's all right. It's not my cup of tea, but it's all good. Maybe I'll put myself on the film today. Here. If I'm not in the thing, then, you know. Probably blocking out the sun right now. Indian Rocks. I hope I didn't just walk right in front of the sun right when it was about to hit. If I'm sitting here and I see that in editing, oh my God, Jacob, you are going to be screaming at yourself. Why did you step in front of the camera right there? But we'll see. No sense in getting upset about it now. That'd be dumb. There it goes, everybody. Sunset, Indian Rocks. For all my fans on the Tubi. That does look nice though. Looks better in person. But you can't be here, so This will have to do. Right when that sun dips, all right, I'm gonna start cruising. Here we go, folks. Easy, easy, easy. Got sand all over my damn gimbal, my damn tripod. I air dry it. And now we're walking back to the car. It is nice getting to live here in Florida, because a lot of people, you know, come here on vacation and then they have to go home. I can just drive home right now and come out here tomorrow if I wanted. Ooh, look at these birds. When I was younger and you grow up here, you don't really appreciate where you live for some reason. Such a basic statement, I'm sure everyone, but you really don't. Oh, that is a big boy. Look at him. Cruising. That's a pelican. Those things are sweet. Now we're at that dusk time. I have shot a bunch of videos at nighttime, and my God, they never come out good. I'm working on that, everybody. I think I'll have to do some tinkering and some studying on the Tubi, because, you know, I've noticed the good thing about these videos and making vlogs or whatever is there are no secrets. Like, if you go on YouTube, they will tell you everything you need to know. Mobile motion, I think that's one that's good, that I like. I had frozen pot stickers for dinner. I've gotten so good at making those. I'm like really not trying to brag, but seriously, I've gotten pretty dang good at making frozen pot stickers. It's all about, you know, when you're doing that sauteing part, and then afterwards, if you get it really nice and crispy, then afterwards mixing like soy sauce, ginger, sesame oil, and garlic, and you know, do a like flash it around in the pan like that. Oh, it's so good. Seriously tasty. That is one of my favorite frozen foods, I think, pot stickers. P.F. Chang's makes pretty good ones, but a lot of the store brand ones are very good too. Except for Target's store brand. I don't like Target's store brand foods. For some reason, I just never like those things. Some are good, but others I just haven't, and they stink on ice. I don't even know what that means, but they do. Indian Rocks Beach, folks. Here we go. Probably shouldn't have turned that quickly. Out here for a nice sunset. Sunset strolling. Back at the beach. Back at the beach. Doing big things because we're back at the beach. You know what's funny is you guys probably think that I'm just like some guy who's like, I have a serious anger streak. But, you know, it's not like I'm going to turn on the YouTube and just start screaming. But But I've learned that, you know, through meditation and everything, you can't get rid of it. I mean, it's definitely not nearly as bad as it used to be. But that was just because back then, you know, I'll look at what they're looking at, something. Oh, a little crabby. Basically, like, you can't lift yourself up from your own bootstraps. Like, if you have a bad anger issue, you can't be like, well, I'm just going to get rid of this anger issue. I'm done with it. It doesn't work like that, because the second you do that, not only do you have the original anger, you have the anger about trying to get rid of the anger. And it's like, whoa, you're doubling down. So the only thing you can do is just meditate and let things run its course. These are more ducks, I think.
Well, she didn't have a problem with him getting showered over.
Where are these ducks coming from? Ocean ducks. Back at the beachy, back at the beachy. I always notice that, you know, when I'm editing, I'll sit there and I'll be listening to my own damn self-talk, feeling like a crazy person. But you have to do that, because if you don't, then you'll never know what you're doing wrong. But like I was saying, I always sit there and think, God, I have so many other things to say. No, stop there. I need to say more. I need to say more about that. That always happens to me. These people are sitting out till it gets dark. It's darker than it looks on film right now. This is an intense game. Oh, missed it. I think I'm gonna cut over back here. Ooh. I don't want to walk back in front of this guy. I feel like he cut back over to not be around me. This sandcastle was the end of what I think is going to be my first video. I scooped down and looked at it real close. Maybe I'll do that again, but I'll go to the one out further. Oh, this is going to be a dynamic shot. This is cool. Looks like Hogwarts. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Watch it. Beautiful. Good work, everybody. Look at that thing. Put the sand. Water's still pretty cold right now, but it's warming up day by day. It's almost like there's only 2 seasons here, and we are definitely right heading into summer right now. And when I say there's only 2 seasons here, there's only really, you know, you have a winter that everybody else would be considering like their fall or early spring, and you just have summer all year. And it's hilarious that all these people that move here, if they didn't come before summer started, they have no idea. They are clueless about what it's going to be like. It is so hot here during the summer. Oh, Man, it's almost like you start to lose your mind. You lose your facilities. These people need to know, though. Oh, she's filming him doing something. Beautiful scene. All right, okay. Let's see if I can walk here without getting a bunch of sand in my sandal. Then I'll have to dip back in the water. And every time I step out of the water, the sand is so loose that it fills my shoe. Alrighty, everybody. Man, I just realized I might be going a little long on this video. I just start talking and I don't shut up. You're probably thinking that too. You're probably thinking, God, this guy, honestly, I just clicked on this to look at the beach and he never stopped talking. Well, there's plenty of places you can go see the beach without people talking. That's why I think, like, man, you know, it's tough. You have to do something different because, you know, like, I'm not Tim Tracker. If you want to watch Tim Tracker, you're just going to watch Tim Tracker. Or any of the people, you know. So, I just walk and talk, I guess. All right, everybody. It's been fun. Like and subscribe. See you later, folks. Man, I'm just sitting here walking. I think, geez, this is so beautiful. Why am I not filming this? Sun is about to go all the way down, everybody. It is freaking gorgeous out here. I love it. This guy setting up his fishing pole. He's going to be doing some night fishing. Probably catching good stuff, man. Oh, that is sweet. You can see the moon up there. Oh, crap. I hate when I do that so much. Bad filming. Come on, Jacob. Get better. You can do it. See, this is the point where I could have already walked past my car and I don't know. This is actually a little bit of a test. I'm messing with the exposures, seeing what's the deal. Wonder if this is gonna look better. It's pretty sweet out here right now. But it definitely doesn't look as good on the camera. I'm just learning, everybody. Don't mind me. Gotta start somewhere. That is seriously good looking. I just love that. Oops. Man, I'm so bad about that. Come on, Jacob. Jeez. I think this is where I parked. Let's see. Well, it wasn't that one. It's a beautiful shot though. God works in mysterious ways. He sends you up here thinking that your car's gonna be up there. Huh. I have no idea where I am. Now this is a predicament. This is what you come here to see, I bet you. This, okay. You know, I always can just look at the maps because the maps will tell me where my car is. But dang, I don't want to do that. I don't know why. I am pretty sure I walked past it. All right, everybody, I'm gonna look at that. Man, I was not even close. I'm gonna be out here till dark. Dang. Guess I walked further than I thought I did. Suppose that can happen. Still pretty good looking view though. I really wanted to relax for a little bit before I started driving home, but now it's not much sense in relaxing on a, if it's going to be completely dark out here. That's all right. I'm relaxed right now. It's definitely a lot darker in person than it is on the camera. That's funny. Oops. Now I remember those houses, so we're on the right track. People are trying to get photos out here. It's probably pretty tough. Maybe portrait mode, night mode. I love how that sand reflects the sun. Super cool. Indian Rocks Beach, everybody. At dusk. It's about as dusk as you can get. I don't feel like I've said anything worth anything in the past. And then you're, of course, I keep saying the same thing. You're probably thinking, you haven't said one thing worth anything the whole time I've watched any of these videos. That's true. But that's the point. It's a show about nothing. Why do you watch? Because it's on TV. Seinfeld. Oh yeah, we got the deep colors now. All right, I am pretty sure this is the one I parked at. I'm like 60% sure. So it's better than 50-50, but still not very confident. If it is, it's been a lot of fun, folks. I think I might make this into a couple videos, maybe 3. I don't know. We'll see. Won't be. See, I don't know whether to make them long or short or anything. I just don't know anything. Kind of learning as I go here. Like and subscribe. See you later. Well, that one wasn't it either. My goodness. I told you guys that I have an angry side. You might see it right now. Just because I can't find my dang car. This is hilarious. I was saying, there's all these exits look exactly the same. And I am just walking here. It's not very captivating footage anymore, I'm sure. Oh no, I remember that. Wow, I'm still really far from my car. That's not good. Oh no. Beautiful, look at that deep orange. Love it. That's the good stuff right there, folks. This video is probably gonna have 3 outros. It's just so funny. Next time, word to the wise, next time, remember where your car is parked, or just is in general. I don't know what these girls think they're getting a photo of. There's literally, but then again, I'm filming. But I think video is different than the photo. So, well, what do I know? I'm no photography. I'm no photography man. Photographer.
Wait, you went from offending me to offending her so fast. There was no transition.
Someone offended someone there. Dang, we still got a little hike. Alright, I think I'm going to take the rest of the hike in solitude. Just because if I walk up one of these exits one more time and my car's not there, I'm going to freak out. I'm actually not going to freak out. It's just hilarious. It won't make for a good YouTube video to do it one more time, I don't think. It's the comedic timing's kind of run out. Or if there ever was any, I don't know. Well, anyways, everybody, it's been fun. We're about out of sunlight now, so I'll be walking in the dark. See you later. Like and subscribe.